A brief explanation of robotics. The science of robotics has revolutionized the way we live and work. Robotics is a combination of engineering, computer science, and artificial intelligence that is used to create robots and other automated machines. Robotics has enabled us to create machines that can perform tasks that would otherwise be difficult or impossible for humans to do. Robotics technology has been used in many different fields, from manufacturing to medical care. In manufacturing, robots are used to assemble complex products quickly and accurately. In medicine, robots are used to assist doctors in surgery and other medical procedures. Robotics has also been used to explore outer space, with robotic probes and rovers being sent to other planets. Robotics is also changing the way we interact with technology. With the development of artificial intelligence, robots can now understand human language and interact with us in natural ways. This has enabled us to create robots that can assist us in our daily lives and make our lives easier. Robotics technology is constantly evolving and improving. With the advances in artificial intelligence and computing power, robots are becoming increasingly more capable of performing more complex tasks. As robotics technology continues to develop, it will revolutionize the way we live and work in the future. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.